to manage and enable parental controls in Google Play. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how you can manage and control and enable parental controls in Google Play. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to open your Google Play Store just like I've done here, and once you've opened it, the home page will be displayed to you, where at the top of your screen you can see the search box where you can search any apps that you want to download. Then you can see the notification icon not far from the search box, your profile icon, and then just below you can see several apps that you can download. So you can pick any of these apps and download as you so desire. Now, to manage and enable parental controls in Google Play Store, you take a look at the top right corner of your screen where we have the notification icon, we have the profile icon. You click on the profile icon just like I've done here. Once you've clicked on it, then you wait for a drop down to be displayed on your screen where you have your name, your Google, your email address, the options to manage apps and devices, where the option to see offers and notification, the option to make payments and subscription, and so on. You have access to your settings, to your library, and so on. To manage and enable parental controls in in Play Store, all you need to do is to click on settings. Settings is the option just after library. After you click on it, you wait for the page to load. So once the page has loaded, on your settings page, the first option you see is a general option where you can make changes about your notification, your account preferences, and so on. The next option is the network preferences. The next one is the authentication, where you can change your fingerprint, your purchase authentication, and so on. Then the next option, which is the option we are going to click on, is a family option. Under this family option, we have parental control, we have parental guide. So we click on the family option. Family option is the fourth option on this list. So once you click on it, a drop down will be displayed on your screen where you have sign up for family library. Then the next option is parental control. Here my parental control is off, but if you want it on, since you want to manage and enable parental control, you can simply click on parental controls. Then you wait for the page to load, and once the page has loaded, just in front of parental control you see the button here. It's off here, but if you want to turn it on, you simply click on that button. Then once you click on the button, you'll be asked to create a content pin. This content pin is a pin you always be asked to input whenever you want to enable your parental control on Play Store. So it's that simple. Remember, why is this thing always going? So this pin you are going to input, remember, is a pin that you'll be asked to always input whenever you want to change your parental or manage or enable your parental control in Play Store. So ensure that the pin you are going to input here is a pin that you do not forget. It's a pin that you easily remember. So this is simply how to manage and enable parental controls in Play Store. Thank you.